Hello, everyone. My name is Zanisha Hawkins, and I hope that you got your glass so you can get some of this tea. Today, we are talking about how to apply our eyelashes. I want to welcome everyone who is brand new to Nisha's Exquisite Beauty Tutorials. Hopefully, you guys will enjoy this video because we are going to go in depth on eyelash application. Here we go. Okay, so the company that I'm going to be using today during this video is Pink Feather. Pink Feather sells 100% mink Siberian lashes. So we're going to go ahead and give them a go. This is not going to be a review video. This is only going to be an application video. So with that being said, here we go. Let's talk about tools that we need in our toolkit in order to apply our lashes. Number one, you need your eyelash curlers, okay? So make sure that you have eyelash curlers because you always want to give your eyelashes a quick 1 and 2. Well, I don't know about your lashes, but for me, my eyelashes like to poke straight out. How you doing? Okay. But when you curl them, it's actually going to lift them up. Once you apply your false eyelashes, they will mesh together. Okay. So make sure you curl your lashes first. You want to have a liquid liner or a liner, period, whenever you're dealing with eyelashes that have a thick band. These lashes, because they have so much volume to them and depth, they do have a little bit of a thicker band, which means that it's going to look like it's false lashes if you don't have liner on. Okay, that is typical, that is normal for thick band lashes. I'm going to take my handy dandy mirror and I'm just going to stay as close as possible to my lashes. And you don't have to worry about doing a wing. Well, the next thing you're going to make sure that you have in your toolkit is tweezers. Now, some people prefer this form of tweezers and some prefer this. I personally like both for different things. I'm going to show you what those things are in just a moment. And for those of you that are afraid of having sharp things like normal tweezers next to your eye, these work fantastic. As you can see, there's no sharp edges. The next thing that you want to have in your toolkit is scissors. You definitely want to make sure that you have a small pair of scissors that are going to be easy to trim your lashes to fit your eye shape. That is very, very important. If you don't have your eyelashes on correctly, it can make your eye look very droopy, small. So it is important to make sure that they fit correctly. Both of these are rounded lashes, meaning both the inside and the outside of the lashes is the same height. So no matter if you trim it from the inner portion or the outer portion, the lashes will still maintain its style. And I'm just going to place it onto my lid as if I were going to put it on. Any type of like extra lash hanging off this way, you would want to go ahead and take a mental note of where you need to trim and take those off and trim them. Another thing that you want to have in your toolkit is your mascara. Mascara is great to have in order to help your real lashes merge with the false lashes. It's really great to apply your mascara before you put on your falsies, so that way you don't get any additional makeup on your false lashes that you have to then try to clean off later. So go ahead and do it now and let it dry before you apply your falsies. Okay, and now you just want to wait a second for that mascara to dry down. And of course, one of the most important things that you need to have in your toolkit is lash glue. Okay, there's all different kinds of glue out there. You have to use what's best for you. I will tell you why I use certain glue and why I don't. I have personally just recently switched to this glue because it has a wand. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That makes it hella easy. It allows you to apply the glue a lot easier to the lash band. Also, if you apply your eyelashes and they start to like peel off, or even throughout the day, if they start to loosen up a little bit, you can use this wand, stick a little glue up there and push it back down. Girl, you are Gucci, okay? Make sure that you are paying attention to any allergies. It's always a good idea to test the glue on the back of your hands first to see if you have any type of reaction to it before you apply it near your eye. Remember, the stronger that your glue is, the more of a chance you have of ripping out your eyelashes when you go to remove your falsies later. So just be paying attention to, okay, do I want my glue to be strong enough for me to get through the day, but easy enough for me to be able to pull off? If so, something that's a generic glue that doesn't advertise extra strong hold would be awesome for you. But if you're the type of person that's like, I want to swim in it, dance in it, shower in it, all this different stuff, then maybe a stronger hold will be better for you. But just be mindful again of pulling out your real lashes. Okay, we gotta have some real lashes, otherwise it's not going to blend, ladies. You gotta blend, right? Blend to the gods. That applies to your lashes too. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove our eyelashes from the case. Removal is key, okay? Because, honey, you just paid for your lashes. You don't want to ruin them. You're going to take your tweezers. You could use your hands too. But you're going to take your tweezers and you're going to go to the actual lash band, okay? You want to make sure you're not pulling on the hairs of the lashes, especially with eyelashes that have a thicker band. It's a lot easier to pull off from the band. So you want to go ahead and grab that band with the tweezers and you're just going to gently pull it off. Ta-da! You see how that came off? Usually whenever you take the lashes like straight out of the box, sometimes they are a little straight or you may misshape them on accident when pulling them off or out of the container. So just trying to shape them by either putting them around your finger and curling them, or just simply bending them a little bit so that they will go onto your eye a lot smoother. And also this keeps your eyelashes from lifting up on the sides. Now, the next thing that you're gonna want to do is go ahead and grab whatever tweezers you're going to use to apply your eyelashes to your lids and get your eyelashes set up. So since I'm going to be using this one to actually apply my lashes, I'm going to go ahead and get this nice and situated. I got it ready to go. Now you are ready to apply your glue. So you're going to go ahead and apply a thin, even layer to your lash band. And one thing that I really like about this clear glue is it goes on white, but as it dries, it starts to turn like a bluish kind of teal color. And you want to make sure that you apply a little bit of extra glue towards the outside ends of the lashes because those are the areas that tend to lift up the most. So as you can see, as it's starting to dry, it's starting to turn a little bit teal. And typically you want to wait about 30 to 45 seconds. You can blow on it if you want. But obviously if you are working on the client for sanitary purposes, don't blow on it, just wait. Okay, now we are ready to apply our lashes. So what we're going to do is take our mirror and we're going to place it a little bit down from our face, and we're going to look down into the mirror. We're going to take our lashes and we're going to go up from the top, and we're going to kind of like seat our lashes down onto our lid. So for these lashes, because they are very high in the middle, I want to make sure that the middle is close to the middle of my eye. And I'm just going to secure the middle portion first, and then I'm going to go in with the inner corner and just press that into my lid. Now where you're applying your eyelashes is where you apply your liner. So if you already put your liner on, you kind of have a good guide. If you are putting your liner on afterwards, then just imagine where your liner would be and apply your lash band there. So now what you can do is you can go back to your eyelash curler, and you have to be very careful with this because these are curled with heat. If you uncurl these, you're gonna be out of luck. So you wanna be careful, but what this is gonna do is it's gonna allow your lashes and your falsies to merge even more. So you're gonna take the curler and you're gonna just gently press it together. And this is just going to help to eliminate any gap that may be remaining between the two. Yes, hunty, those lashes are giving me so much life, okay? I really love how lightweight they feel. Already, I love the drama of these. I'm super excited to go ahead and go to the next side. I'm gonna go ahead and take my tweezers and remove the second pair. Again, we're going from the lash band, and we're gonna repeat the same steps, applying an even thin coat of glue with a little bit of extra glue on the inner and outer end. So you're gonna wait about 30 seconds. You're gonna put your mirror underneath your eye again. You're gonna tilt your hand up just a little bit. Go ahead and seat the highest part in the middle, or however you decided to measure it so that it's the same on both sides. And then you're going to adjust it going into the inner corner and the outer corner. Okay, and I'm just gonna take my eyelash curler. And all right, there you go. So as you can see, we got our eyelashes on, and I am loving the fact that they are seated well. Our mascara has blended in flawlessly with our eyelashes. Are you sure I have falsies on? This might just be my eyelashes, girl, okay? I hope that helps. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to go ahead and comment below, like this video, share it with your girlfriends, and check out pinksiberian.com. Make sure that you tune in for all your future slayage and Nisha's exquisite beauty tutorials. Bye, ladies. Thanks for watching. Mwah.